Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you the best settings for 11 Labs voice option. So it's going to be a very quick and easy process. So firstly what you have to do is just simply select your voice. So as you can see, I already have my voice selected. The voice settings will vary depending on the speaker that there is. So for me, it's a voice of a female person and it's Australian. So now, depending on all of that, the voice setting will be different. Let's say you are using your own voice option over here. So in that case, the option will be again different. But this is a general setting that you can try to begin with because this is the best setting to start with. So all you do is just simply go to voice settings, just simply try stability at 21, then clarity, just simply go with 43, and in style just simply play around, but start with 8 over here. Now if you want to boost the speaker, you will also have the option, so choose this if you want to. If you want, you can also choose languages over here. So for me, it's obviously going to be English. And now all you do is just simply enter your script, paste, and then generate. If you don't have a voice already, you can just simply go to the voice library over here, and over here you'll find a ton of voices pre-made for you, and it's absolutely free for you to use. So obviously you can do that too. That's it. And thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our channel. Take care.